this is Scott from 67 Music. We are at the end of the night at St. John's Pub out in St. John's, celebrating a great night with the Chancers and their CD release party. The new CD is out and it is available now. We're going to be talking with a couple of the guys. We've got John here. Over here we've got Phelim, and here is Patty, the Chancers, and we're going to be talking a little bit about the CD and the band in general. So let's talk. First off, Patty, you said you were going to explain to us the title of the CDs.
Oh yeah. Well, it's sort of a piss take, but like, lads, play something you know, because we're not very good. And every now and again, people ask us to play tunes that we know. And the thing is, we don't know that many tunes. So it's just kind of a refrain that we kept hearing from every time we go.
And it's also
Play something you know. So when did the band start?
Patty?
I don't think anybody really knows. That's the whole thing.
It's a mystery?
Yeah. But you'll find that
time.
most people in Portland have been in the Chancers at some point.
Like me!
Patty has been in the Chancers.
She was in the Chancers.
Yeah?
Even black people have been in the Chancers.
We're cool.
They have black people in the church.
The Blancers. Like,
Yeah,
I
we're not
have
racialist.
the Blancers at one time or
We
the
don't
other.
do the racialist thing at
At
all.
one time or another, I've been a member of the Blancers.
I'm on the CD.
Hell yeah.
We're doing it, yo.
Yeah, there's a lot of misgivings about this band. A lot of people think that you have to be Irish to be in the band.
No.
She's not Irish. And
not
you know,
Irish.
in fairness, she doesn't look Irish.
So it's an open door policy.
Oh,
Big
yeah,
time.
yeah.
We don't discriminate at all. That's the thing.
Except black folk.
You don't even have to play music to be in this band.
The new CD, we got it. Our lads, play something you know. We don't know where they'll be, but they'll be here. All right, you guys, thank you very much.
That was good.
Good
job, man.
You bet. We'll see you guys.
You better, you bet.